Hello, today we are going to be looking at if statements. If you watch this video and fully understand it, then you will be able to understand if statements. Sorry, couldn't help myself there. We've got some lines of code here, which I'm just going to talk you through first of all, before we run it, so you can understand what's going on. This first line of code here, we have created a variable called x. It can be anything that you want. It could be age, and we have said that x is going to have the value which is going to be an integer, which is going to be whatever the person enters in. If we wanted to have a number with decimal places, which would be a float, you just replace the word int with the word float. If you wanted it to be just a string, some text, you just get rid of the int there completely, and don't forget that last set of brackets. So what these first two lines of code are saying is if x is less than 15, so if this value here which gets entered is less than 15, it's going to print off you can't buy any computer games, bad times. If x is equal to 16 or equal to 17, you're able to buy 15 rated games. If x, this variable again, is greater than or equal to 18, they can buy any game that they want. Okay, so let's see this in action. So we are first of all going to say that we are 12 years old and we can't buy any computer games because we're too young. This variable here is saying that we're too young because that's the age we've entered. If we say we're going to be 16, we're able to buy 15 rated games. Huzzah! If we say we are going to be 22, we can buy any game that you want. So, what we've looked at here are basic if statements. Remember that if statements use Boolean logic, so we can look at less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. There are loads of different permutations that you can use. You can also use multiple variables in them. You can also use two in one by using the or statement. Remember that if statements are very important. They always evaluate to something being true. So if x is less than 15, it will print this. If it's not, it will just go down the next line of code until it can find something where it's true for. I hope this has been useful. Thank you very much.